Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to register a DBA in Illinois. Start by choosing a unique trade name and search county records to confirm availability. Next, determine whether to file at the county level or with the state depending on your business location. Gather owner ID, business address, and any required notarized signatures before completing forms. Finally, pay the filing fee and post any required public notices to finalize registration. To prepare your documents, make a checklist of items the county requires, including photo ID, proof of address, and any partnership agreements. Make sure names match exactly across ID and forms to avoid delays. Confirm acceptable payment methods and have a backup form of payment ready. If a notarized signature is required, schedule that before your filing appointment. Organize copies for your records and for any future renewals. When filing, follow county instructions exactly and fill every field to prevent rejection. Submit the form in person for faster processing or mail it with a tracked method if allowed. Keep a stamped or otherwise confirmed copy for your records and note renewal dates or expiration terms. If your business structure changes, update the DBA promptly to avoid fines. Confirm whether publication notices are required and complete them as instructed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.